Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today I'm out in Tennessee and Noel Pedigo said, Lou, come on out to Tennessee. We've got some great cars for you. And I said, well, if you got great cars, why don't I stop by? Noah, what year, make, and model is this one?
This is a 1969 Mercury Cyclone Cale Yarborough edition. One of very few still left in existence.
Let's take a look at our featured attraction. Well, this will bring me to Tennessee. Let's take a look at this. As you can see right here. So it's not only a Mercury Cyclone, but this one you'll see when I step to the side has some very special badging. Now, how long, Steve Breedlove, this is his car, and you're married his daughter, so you kind of help with the cars.
Yes, sir. Maintenance them if they need something. Make sure they're aligned.
Yeah, come on along with me.
Make sure they're clean.
How long has Steve had this one?
He acquired this car in 2021.
2021.
It had a couple restorations done to it. It come out of South Carolina and was bought in Murfreesboro.
And let me just let you take in that shape. And that's NASCAR inspired. Now they do have a different front end for some of the NASCARs, and this one clearly has the 351 in it. They did have, I believe, a 428 as well, and I think we have one of those on the channel with a flatter grille. But you can see the Cale Yarborough, as he stated, it's tough enough to find one, but we did a great garage episode. In that great garage of Steve's, well, he has them both. You can see also we've got our gas here, like so. Let's take a look. We've got these great grills right here. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? So as we open the hood, we can see the radiator hose, all the proper markings, and this looks like it just came from the factory. This is great. Love cars when they look like they were back to the factory specs. Let's fire this one up, shall we?
Yes, we can.
Listen to it idle. Can you step on the brakes for a second? There's your tail lights. Listen to the sound of that. Go ahead, give it a rev. One more time. Nice. We'll turn this around for you. And as we turn it around, you can see the nice black Mercury piece in the center. As we get closer, we've got the 69 Cale for the plates, the great spoiler, and I really like the sun's hitting it just right to let you meditate on that quarter panel section right there. We've got some great trunk and treats for this one. And as we open it up, we've got this feature here. You might remember I told you that there's a Cobra Jet 428 in some of them. There's the spoiler. Here's some details on the Cale Yarborough edition that you can see. Here's a Marty report saying that this is the real deal on this car. And what's nice too, you've got the 69 brochure from Lincoln Mercury with all that great artwork. And as I flip through this, you can see that she's all excited that she's got a Mercury here. There's your Cobra Jet 428, the high performance back here. There it shows you your decal, your 4-speed. The Cyclone is strictly for fun, which, well, we're going to have with it. You can see all the action that you have when you're in a Cyclone. laughing, bikinis, the whole thing. The Montego here. Your four-door, your fishing for your four-door. More fun in your two-door Montego. The Comet, the colors, and the trims. Your dune buggies. Some of the features here. But it doesn't share too many details. Notice we don't have the special East Coast and West Coast Cyclone that we're showing you here. So all those details, we'll close that. Actually, let me show one more thing there. All right, we'll close that. Kind of a short trunk too. You can see that. I'm gonna come over here. May I open it?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. While we open it, you can see right here, we've got our tag for the car. Check out the door with your emblem. We have your interior like so. We've got our bench seat, some custom floor mats with the Cale Yarborough. Difficult to reach back window to clean for that NASCAR look. And as we sit in here and show you the features, well, you can see all the gauges here. No clock, just the radio and go. Your ignition, the word Cyclone there. Your park, reverse, and neutral drive. I think the only thing that's left to do is we got to take it for a ride.
Let's go.
Let's go. 1969 Mercury Cyclone spoiler Cale Yarborough special. Noah, how's it feel?
It feels great.
Feels great. How long has Steve had this one?
He's had this one about 4 years.
Okay. Runs smooth.
Very smooth.
Let's show people a little bit of Tennessee here. That's nice country right there. You take this one to car shows.
All the time.
What's the reaction when you take this one out?
Everybody's in disbelief. You don't see many of them around.
You don't see many of them around, you're right. It's really a treat to see one. Oh, it's running great. Let me just spoil people. By the way, thanks for taking me out here and calling me to come on out and telling me about your cars, and really been a treat for people.
It's been a pleasure having you.
We're both having way too much fun.
Okay.
We'll turn this around and show them the way back. But this is just a great car. Really nice country. Everybody's so friendly. I think cars is the common denominator. It kind of brings us all together.
Oh yeah, this is a very car-friendly community here. Everybody in this community has cars.
Yeah. Nice. Look at that. I wanted to get the sun behind us, you'll see why. With the hills, you show people.
Lots of mountains and lots of rivers in this area.
Look at this. This is the place to have a muscle car.
It sure is.
Friendly people, great two-lane roads. Sounds like it wants to get up and go. It's like, let's go. What a great ride.
Very smooth.
marks on the road. That wasn't.
Wasn't us.
Okay.
Wasn't us.
All right. What a great car. What a great time out here in Tennessee. Noah, thanks so much for being on the channel with me. Thanks so much for being on My Car Story.
Oh, thank you for letting us be.
You're
It's a
welcome.
pleasure.
Thank you.